Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I'm gonna show you Navratri 8th and 9th days makeup look. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, I use this Fair and Lovely Fairness Cream as a primer. Now take a little bit amount of cream and apply evenly on face and neck. So next I use these two powders. One is normal talcum powder, white tone talcum powder, and another one is Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. These two combinations I applying today. So now I mix these together and apply evenly on face and neck. Now I apply this lip balm. This is from Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm in the shade orangish pink peach shade. Next I use this lipstick. This is also in orange color. This is from LA18. So next I use this lipstick also as a eyeshadow. Now I took a little bit amount of lipstick with my finger like so and applying on my crease upper area like so. So next I use this eyeshadow palette. This is also from Maybelline. Okay, so now I pick up this light baby pink color in this palette and applying on my crease area like so, and applying on my eye corners area like so. It gives beautiful look of corners like this. Okay, now I am applying kajal. This is from Itex kajal. So next I fill my eyebrows with this pencil. This is from Lakme. So next I took this navy blue color bindi for today. So next I put this small bindi from Itex, black color. So this is my today's makeup look video. I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye all of you. Take care. Happy Navratri once again.